Good morning and welcome again. Today it is raining. I can't get to the long range again, but I still have some testing done for the I still have some testing that needs to be done on the 30-meter range. So I'm going to stick with that while it's pouring rain again. At least my sound is a lot better today. It's not that thunderstorm rain, it's a nice drizzling rain. So today I've got the Javelins again, but today it's the 26 grainers. I've got them in 218s and I've got them in 217s. I've been looking forward to these babies for quite some time. I only received them a week ago. I could only shoot the 23 grainers due to rain again, and today I finally get my chance to shoot these babies. I'm going to go through my usual setting today. I'm going to shoot them from power setting 1 all the way up to max. This gun has got the dual flow system in as well as a pin probe. It does not have the FX power upgrade. I'm going to repeat, it's the dual flow airport plus the pin probe, 700mm barrel, reg is at around about 150 bar. Shoot these guys at top speed at around about 975 feet per second on max. Let's see what they do. First up, Javelins, 217s, 26 grain. The gun hasn't been tuned for these guys. I just opened this batch for the first time. So this is the first impression a shooter will get when he starts shooting with these slugs. I'm just going to hit 3 zeroing shots left top. So don't worry if you see there's 3. It's not funny, weird, or wonderful stuff or flyers. It's me aiming there on purpose. Let's do this. Right, as you can see, this gun is not set up for these slugs. They are shooting low. I'm just going to readjust the turret for the 218s and then we can go again.
Alright, that high shot on target 1, that's totally me, aimed with the wrong mil dot. The gun was shooting a little bit low, about half a mil dot on 30 meters, because the gun is not tuned for these Javelin slugs. My first impression is very positive, specifically there at 842 feet per second as well as 909 feet per second, and a very good grouping at 965. Looks like I hit the harmonic sweet spot on the barrel with these slugs. Over to the 218s.
Next up, Javelins, 26 grainers, 218s. Same setup, 1 to 6. Let's have some fun. The 218s came out a little bit faster than the 217s, but they didn't want to group in my barrel. Looks like the 217s at this stage are for my gun and for my setup, the better choice. Let's go and have a look.
Harmonics plays such a big role. I just could not get the same groupings with the 218s that I did with the 217s. I was wondering about the difference in grouping until I looked at the graph and saw that this wasn't a marginal speed difference. This was a massive speed difference, anywhere between 57 feet per second down to 15 feet per second on the maximum speeds. These additional speeds makes a huge difference on the harmonics. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one when I do the 30 grain Javelins. Lekker day to you.
That's all, folks.